Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marina, and for today's video I'm going to be decluttering my daughter's bedroom, and this will also be the Konmari method. And here's a little preview of what her bedroom looks like. It's really bad, so I was very excited to start this video. But if you want to see how I got it done, then just keep on watching. I wanted to start off by showing you the shelf I got. I got this one from Target and these 3 little cubes from Target also. So I'm going to start by putting everything in the middle of the room. Right here I was just telling Churro to get out because she was eating Emma's toys. And if you're new to my channel, Churro is our little Winnie dog. And I am just putting the toys I know we're going to keep on the bed.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch.
The reason I'm taking everything out of the RV and the little homes is because I'm going to keep them all in a little area, and this will just keep it more organized.
I will be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list.
Now that everything is kind of out of the way, I'm going to take everything out of her closet and put it in the middle of the room. So I'm going to put everything we're going to keep in that little pink basket, and everything we're going to donate in the floral basket.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances.
And same goes for this one. I'm going to put everything we're going to keep in the first basket and everything we're going to donate in the second basket.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
And now I'm just putting all the donation items in plastic bags. I decided I wasn't going to keep this toy box, so I put more donations in there. And now the fun part. So I'm gonna take out the cubes and organized all her toys, and I didn't think 3 cubes was enough, so I actually went back to Target and got 3 more. So sorry about the lighting here, but I'm just going through her dress-up dresses and seeing which ones fit her, and I would just be putting away the ones that don't fit her in the garage, and the ones that do fit her I'll just hang up.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, but my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire.
And while I was at Target, my husband and daughter put together the shelf.
I follow your heartbeat, keep on moving to the drums now. I follow your heartbeat.
This little sneaky dog, she is always getting into something. We actually didn't notice she did this until we watched this video. I love how the bins came out. So we have 6 cubes, and let me show you what I did with each one of them. In the first one, I have all her Peppa Pigs together. In the second one, I have all her RV accessories. In the third one, I just have her Doc McStuffin suitcases and a few other toys. In this one, I have all her Hatchimal toys. And this one contains all her Barbies. And the last one has all her little critter toys.
My desire.
In her nightstand, I just put all these little tiny toys in here. And in this drawer, I just kept all her Build-A-Bear accessories. And right below it, I just have all her Barbie and doll clothes. And I'm just going to keep all her stuffed animals in this little tote. Now that the shelf is done, I will put each cube away. I just love how her room came out. It's definitely more organized. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing if you like these kind of videos, because I have a lot of organizing videos coming up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.